Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the Bitcoin thing here. This is on the 5 minute, but it's really just helpful in order to see why I've put these lines where I've put them. I think it's pretty important to see that. As you can see here, I was saying that 64,085 will be a really important line, and it is, okay, because that's where it was right before I did this big pump, okay. That's like up like 5%, I think. Nope, only 3%, but that's still a lot, 3%. Uh, yeah, as you can see here, it went up at this line around there. Tried stopping there for a while, then went up, completely obliterated this line. Didn't even care about this line going up. Went past there, tried holding that 50 SMA a little bit. It failed at the end. But this line comes into importance here because it tried being an area of support. That kind of tried bouncing it up and it completely failed. Went down, past this line this time, but actually it tried stopping over here, which I think is really interesting to note that it stopped over there and not there. But it tried passing there, went there, then that actually became an area of resistance for it, and then it continued to go down. Right now, as you can see, we are trying. Wow, this is probably the strongest area of support I have ever seen in my entire life. Uh, that thing is going there. It bounced up, going there, bouncing up again. I don't know what's gonna happen, but right now this looks like a pretty strong area of support for Bitcoin. Uh, if we go to the hourly though, oh, that's not what I want to do. However, I do think that we're gonna be seeing it drop to 63,496 sometime soon. I don't think this is the end over here. I definitely think it'll drop some more. But we just got the hourly candle, so that's nice. I definitely think it'll drop down somewhere around here, 63,496 or 63,500. And wow, would you look at that? That just took a big drop the very moment that hourly candle came in. But that doesn't matter, okay, because I think here's going to be a really important line. And if it breaks this line, which I highly doubt, okay, because here already has a very strong area. So if it breaks this line here, which is very important, if it breaks that, then it'll go here. And if for it to break this one, that'll just be too much for Bitcoin, okay. And if it breaks this one as well, then it'll have to break this one. And then once it breaks this one, then for me, the way I see it, the next one will only be over here, which is very far away. So you guys just better hope it doesn't break this line, but it probably will. But then it won't break this one, which is really important, even much more important than this one here, which usually after a big pump it goes down, because as you can see here, big pump went back down pretty much. Big pump didn't instantly go down, but then eventually it went right back down. Here big pump went even lower than where it was. It was meant to stop there, but it didn't. Yeah, big pump went right back down. Big pump went right back down pretty much. And yeah, that's just where I think personally. But yeah, that's it for now. You guys should note these. Probably they'll be really important for later. Thank you. Bye bye.